Hello internet, and welcome back to a new video where we try to keep it simple and live slowly in the city. This is Nairobi, Kenya. So previously I took you on a weekly shopping haul. We bought some stuff, but I never really got to show you some of the meals that we made. So today I thought it's a perfect opportunity to give you an idea of what you can do with your French beans to make the perfect stew. So right here we have sliced our onions, and you're letting them cook until sort of golden brown, and then you're going to add our other ingredients. So our ingredients are very simple. My house girl has already made chapatis on the side. That's what you're going to be enjoying with. But for this stew, we're going to have the onions. You can see them. Then the minced meat has already been cooked, so we'll just mix it in the stew while frying. On the side, you have tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers, that's green and red. Then I had dania on the side, and here is our French beans sliced into small pieces. That's how I prefer to have mine. So we're going to just make it simple. This is a very simple and affordable recipe. We actually used a half kg of minced meat. So when your onions are ready, that's how I prefer mine, coming with your carrots. You know, carrots are hard, they take longer than the others to cook. Later on, add all your other ingredients. These are the tomatoes, the bell peppers, and whatever else you prefer to have in your stew. Then after adding, you will stir them properly.
Breaking news.
This girl just makes our days. Now she was trying to record herself reading news, and she's got a voice for it. Anyway, she's an actress in her school. Now our food is ready. We have even garnished with dania, so there's no more cooking. I just gave you another idea of what you can eat with your chapatis. So at this point, we are just going to serve. Look at that, guys. It is so colorful. It looks delicious. Enjoy.